Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to make mekhalia Indian style. So the ingredients are 3 to 4 onions, dry coconut, peanuts, sesame seeds, water, curry leaves, green chilies, mirchi, nammak, haldi, adrak, lasan. Quantity I'll be telling you while I put it in the cooker. So 3 to 4 tomatoes, coriander leaves, this is zira powder, then comes dhania powder, okay, imli, meat, zira, oil. So take a cooker and add 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil in it. Oil quantity totally depends on you, okay, how much you use. Then add zira in it, 2 teaspoons zira. Okay. It's a very easy process. You can make a very good mekhalia Indian style and you will love it. So now add curry leaves in it. You can add 3 to 4 strands of curry leaves or one full curry leaf stem. Okay. Now let them fry for some time. As you can see, the bubbles are coming up, so they are getting fried very well in it. Now add meat in it, but before you need to wash the meat, cut it into small pieces however you like to, and then you need to add the meat which we have washed in the cooker. Okay, so I have added half kg of meat. Okay, now adrak lasan paste, mirchi, nammak, haldi. So 2 teaspoon of mirchi powder, 2 teaspoon of adrak lasan powder paste, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Haldi 1/4 teaspoon. Then add 3 to 4 tomatoes and 1 glass of water in it and cover the lid. So this should be for 10 minutes on full flame and 5 minutes on medium flame, so that the meat get tender. Okay, so on the other hand you need to roast peanuts, what we call coconut, dry coconut. First you need to cut the dry coconut into pieces and you need to roast it. Okay, I'm done with the peanuts. Now it's turn for dry coconut. You need to roast it very well. Without roasting, your dish will never get so tasty. Okay, so now you need to off the stove because the sesame seeds get fried very soon. So off the stove and then add that sesame seeds in it. Roast it for some time and then take it out in another plate. Okay, I have roasted it. So okay, now third step, you need to take a very big container in which you need to cook the whole what we call dish. So I have taken this type of container, what we call bagona in Hindi, and then add 1 to 2 teaspoon or tablespoon of oil in it and fry onions in it. Okay, and on the other hand you need to grind all this what we have roasted. Okay, into a fine mixture. What we are adding? Peanuts, dry coconut, sesame seeds. Okay, so this mixture, keep it aside. Now fry the onions and add that fried onion in it. See, now I have opened the lid and my meat is ready, but the cooker has a lot of water in it, so I have kept it on the full flame for 10 minutes so that the water gets absorbed. Okay, and now my onions are ready. Off the stove and take out that onions and add that onion in the mixture. Now take boil it for some time and then take out the pulp and add it in the mixture. Okay, so this all things need to be grinded into a smooth paste like consistency, like I have done here, and add it in the oil which has left of oil from that onion. Okay, now you need to sort it very well for 10 to 15 minutes till the container leaves till the oil in the container leaves the sides. Okay, here the masales get popped up, so you can cover the lid and sort it. Okay, sort it for almost 15 to 20 minutes. Your hand is going to pain here, and after sorting, when it leaves its sides, you need to add small quantity of mirchi, namak, haldi, adrak, lesan in it and sort it for some time, for 5 minutes. Okay, see, when it get bubbles, you can add the cooker's dish in it and mix it very well. So now you need to add kothmir in it, coriander leaves, green chilies in it, 3 to 4 green chilies in it, and add 1 to 2 glasses of water. How much consistency you want for yourself, you can do as it is. Okay, now you need to add Zeera powder 1 teaspoon, dhania powder 1 teaspoon, okay, coriander leaves, full 1 bunch of coriander leaves or 5 to 6 strands of coriander. Okay, whichever is less. Now I have added it, and you need to keep the container on full flame for 10 minutes and then you are good to go. Thank you so much for watching. If you like, do like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.